Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Discord chat to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to keep your community engaged and allow visitors to interact directly with your Discord server right from your site. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right into the process. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to your site management options. This is where you'll begin setting up your Discord integration. From here, you'll see a preview of the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure this is the correct website where you want to add your Discord chat. It's important to double check this, especially if you manage multiple sites, to avoid making changes to the wrong project. Now from this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find it on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on this button to proceed. This will take you directly into the Wix website editor, which is where you'll be working to embed your Discord chat. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. At this point, we need to switch over to Discord to grab the widget code. Open your Discord app and locate the server you wish to add to your website. Once you've found it, click on the server dropdown located at the top part of your Discord window. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Server Settings and click on it. You'll be directed to your server settings and configuration page. Here, locate the engagement option from the left menu and click on it. Then scroll down until you find the server widget section. Make sure this feature is enabled as it needs to be active for the widget to work properly. Within the server widget section, locate the pre-made widget option and click on the copy button next to it. This is the code we'll be pasting onto your Wix website to display your Discord server. Once you've copied the widget code, head back to your Wix website editor. Now locate the Add Element button from the left navigation menu and click on it. It will expand, presenting you with several elements you can use to customize your website. From here, locate the Embed Code element and click on it. Under the Embed Code section, look for the Embed HTML option and click on the plus button. It will automatically be added to your website page and a code editor will appear. This is where you'll paste the widget code from Discord. Simply paste the code into the editor, then click Update. Your Discord chat should now appear on your Wix site, allowing visitors to see your server activity and join the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully added Discord chat to your Wix website, creating a seamless connection between your site and your community. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.